Hello dear friend, so you found out about Siren, perhaps from Markiplier? Well, I will be your guide on how to download Siren, the game, for free, legally even. The website you seek looks like this. Here you can find the download link. By scrolling down a little, you find download now. Here you can give a donation of reasonable size to the developer, or if you happen to not be able to do that, just click no thanks, just take me to the downloads. And away we go. Please subscribe and hit the like button for this video. Here you can choose between Windows and Mac OS version. By the way, do you want to see what the game looks like when you look Siren over the shoulder? Check out my video on exactly that. It's the only one online. To download Siren, click on download. Now you have to probably choose a folder or it picks one automatically. I will just confirm, and once it is done, click on show in folder, and here be careful, don't double click the file just to try to double click the Siren.exe, or if you do, in this case at least press extract all, because if you press run, this will happen. Siren.exe system error, the code execution cannot proceed because unityplayer.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. Don't be like that. Instead, right-click the zip file, press extract all, press extract, subscribe to this channel by the way, wait for this progress bar to finish, it doesn't take so long. And now you have this folder, double-click it, and here you have an icon with two sirens. You can double-click this or right-click drag to the desktop and create a shortcut. Now you can start it from the desktop. In the README you can see the controls. They are WASD for movement, right mouse button for examining things, left shift for running, and flashlight with F key. By double-clicking you start the game, and here you can pick the resolution and graphic quality. For very old computers, go with very low, with powerful computers go for ultra. And then the game starts. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. And again, check out that Siren video I told you about, you won't regret it. Till next time, ciao!